All right, now on to one of my most favorite subjects of all, art. And today we are going to be learning about color. So your paper should look like this right here. And it says art. It says God, being the supreme artist, created us to be artists too. And we're going to talk about one of the 6 elements of art, which is color. Who gave us colors? How many colors are in the rainbow? And then we'll fill out our work page. So let's start with the first one. Who gave us colors? Well, who's the supreme artist? God is. God gave us all the colors. I want you guys to look around. Are you guys at your house or in your room? Look around, we're all around you. What colors do you see? There's so many colors, and then you go outside and there's even more colors. Look at the sky. Does the sky stay blue all day? No, there's sunsets, there's sunrises. When the sun comes up, it might be yellow or it might even be pink. When the sun goes down, it might have cotton candy colors of blue, pink, and purple. There are so many different colors to look around us. The leaves, do they just stay green all year round? Now there are some evergreen trees where they do stay green all around. What happens? They change color. They turn brown, some turn purple or red or yellow, even orange. Look at the grass. Is the grass always green? If you don't water it, what's gonna happen? It'll turn yellow. And if you really don't take care of it, it might even turn a little bit brown, okay? So many things change color. There's even animals that change color. You guys know about the chameleon? Last year you guys were able to draw a chameleon. What does a chameleon do? It blends in with its surroundings. It changes color, all right? If you look, when we come back to school, if you look, even people, we're all different colors. Our skins, they all have different colors. Our eyes, they all have different colors. I mean, they're not colors of the rainbow, but they're either blue, they're brown, they're green, they're hazel. All right, we all have different unique features to ourselves, which have different colors. Our lips, some people have pink lips. Some people have very light pink lips. Some people's lips are naturally hot pink, all right? There's so many color everywhere because our God is a creative God and he loves color. You know that we are still finding colors today? Isn't that cool? Scientists are discovering new colors. I think it was 2 years ago, scientists discovered a new color of blue. That's crazy, right? That there's more colors coming up that people are learning about. And these are older people, these aren't little kids, these are older people that are learning about color. They have made a black that is so dark that if you paint the wall black, it'll look like the wall goes to outer space. That's how black it is. It's so dark. All right, we're discovering a whole bunch of new things all the time. All right, so now I've colored my whole first line red. What is my next color gonna be? Let's think. What comes after red? Do you guys know? Well, let's do this instead. Instead of coloring every single line, let's skip a line. Or is that gonna be too, yeah, let's try to do it. So have someone help you, an adult help you, and ask them to make sure that's the right color. So let's skip a line. So we did red, we're gonna leave the next one white, and what's the next one gonna be after red? Let's do it yellow. All right, so we're gonna get our yellow crayon, and I'm gonna stay in lines, and notice how I'm skipping a line. I'm going nice and slowly. And I'm gonna make sure I do my absolute best. Now that I've done my yellow, I'm gonna skip a line after that, and I'm gonna do blue. I'm gonna grab my blue crayon, and I'm gonna do my best to stay in the line. So now that we have our colors, let's say them. We have red, we have yellow, and we have blue. This is something called our primary colors. Can you say primary colors? All right, the reason they're called primary colors is because these 3 colors make up different colors if you mix them with other colors. So watch this. If we have red and yellow make what? Orange. So we have red, yellow, and in the middle we're gonna put orange. So grab your orange crayon and go ahead and fill that in nice and slowly. Excellent job. All right, now so we have red and we have yellow, and it makes what? Say with me, orange. Perfect. Now we have yellow and blue. What would happen if we were to mix yellow and blue together? Do you guys know? It So go ahead and grab your green and fill that next one in with green. Perfect job. So now moving on to our last color, although our rainbow is kind of lying to us. They gave us 2 extra colors to fill, but there's just 1 more. It's okay. We'll leave the extra one white. All right, or actually we'll do something special with our extra color. All right, so now that we have blue and there's no other color there, what are we gonna mix it to get a different color? Now watch this. We are gonna mix the blue with the red, and it's gonna give us what? It's gonna give us purple. So now we're gonna color our last line in purple, or our second to last line. Now this rainbow has an extra space for colors. So the special thing we're gonna do with our last one is I'm gonna let you guys choose your favorite color, your most favorite color, and you guys will be able to color that one in that special color. My favorite color is pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and do my last color in pink. Color this all in the best I can. And if you go out of the line, that's okay, forgive yourself. All right, so now that I have all my colors filled out, let's go and say all the colors together. Our first color is what? Red. Our second color is orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. Okay, so now let's go back and fill out let's fill out our page that says blank gave us a rainbow. Who gave us a rainbow? That's right, God gave us a rainbow. Did you actually know that the rainbow means something? It does. If you guys look back in the time of Moses, for my beginner bees who were here last year, we read the book of Moses. For my new kids, in the time of Moses, there was a giant flood. And God used the rainbow to tell us that he would never flood the earth again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write, God gave us a rainbow. So use your best handwriting, not in block letters. Let's use our cursive. So we're gonna write, God gave us a rainbow, and it says, there are, and we're gonna write how much colors of rainbows there are. So we're gonna write, there are 6 different colors. All right, now, if you guys remember, you guys had 6 as your spelling word, so luckily we know how to write 6. So it's gonna look like this. There are 6. All right, so now, so your first one should say, God gave us the rainbow. There are 6 different colors. If you're group A, have your parents write the words for you and you can trace it in cursive. If you are group B, go ahead and write it yourself and ask your parents if you need help. Now our next page, because we're still talking about color. Now on this page it says 2 different things. It says warm colors, and it says cool colors. Did you guys know that there's warm colors and cool colors? That's crazy to think, right? So, let's see. A warm color is something that's very light. So a warm color is something very light. So when we think of a warm color, we think of red, we think of yellow, we think of orange. Those are our first 3 colors of our rainbow. Those are our warm colors. So right here for our colors, we're gonna draw a circle. Now, I know some of you guys have trouble drawing circles still. So for parents, what I encourage you guys to do instead of drawing a circle for your child, go ahead and get your finger and tell them to follow your finger as you trace a circle with your finger. They'll trace after your finger with a pencil like this. So you'll just say, follow my finger, and then they'll follow your finger to make a circle the best they can. All right, so beginners, go ahead and make 3 circles under warm. Now, do they have to be perfect? No, they do not have to be perfect. Remember, we're individuals. We're not robots. They don't have to be these perfect, absolute round circles, okay? Just do your best. If you don't want to do circles, you can do squares as well, or triangles. Make sure you have 3 under warm and 3 under cool. All right, so now that I have my 3 circles, we're gonna find out which ones are warm and which ones are cool. So what did I just say? Our warm colors are gonna be things that are light, orange, yellow. If you wanna do pink, red. They're actually our first three colors of the rainbow. Those are our warm colors. So go ahead and grab the first three colors of the rainbow. So I have red, I have orange, and I have yellow. And we're gonna color those in the circles of our warm. Make sure to take your time and go slowly. And my third color. All right, so red is a warm color. Say it with me, red is a warm color, orange is a warm color, and yellow is a warm color. Now we're gonna move on to cool colors. So what is a cool color? Well, let's see. If the first three colors of our rainbow were warm, then maybe, just maybe, the next three are cool. You're correct, they are. So our next three colors would be green, blue, and purple. My first cool color, second, and third. All right, so now we have our rainbow colors again. So my cool colors are the last three colors of the rainbow, and my warm colors are the first three colors of my rainbow. All right, and everything else we can kind of determine for ourselves. So say I had pink. Would pink be a warm or a cool, warm or a cool color? That's right, pink would be a warm color. All right, so now that we have our colors of the rainbow, I kind of want you guys to look at this wheel again. Now it's kind of like a wheel, it's kind of like a circle. I have red and yellow make what? Orange. That's why it's in between them. I have green, and what two colors make green? Yellow and blue make green. And then I have purple, and red and blue make purple. Isn't that cool? If you were to get a rainbow that's like this, with all its colors, and you were to fold it like this, it would have all the colors in the order that they're made. It's kind of hard to understand right now, but you'll understand when you're older. And that's really cool because God always thinks ahead. He does things, remember, with a purpose and in order. Because our God is a God of order. Exactly. So this is our color wheel now, or not our color, this is our colors, warm and cool. All right, so that's what we did today for art. I know we're not learning how to draw anything yet. First, we want to learn a little bit about what we're going to be drawing with, and later on we'll learn how to draw creatures or different things. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's art. Great job, beginners.